Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a little different video here on Wristwatch Wednesday. No, we're not sponsored by Courtyard by Marriott. We have some viewer contributions. These were given to me by a viewer of Wristwatch Wednesday. Was in town. We met up and he gave me this exchange, and we're going to see what you guys want to see. This viewer was cleaning out their old watch collection. They happen to be a watch lover themselves, and came across some different ones. So we're going to go over a couple of these and see what we have. Oh, first up we have a Pulsar. Nice looking watch. Yellow dial, gold, silver, dual tone, nice gold bezel. This one has a little bit of a crystal problem up here, but we may be able to fix that. We'll go through our stash and maybe we'll try to replace the crystal on that one. And let's just get some details on this one. The case size is about 36 millimeters. Lug to lug is about 40. The bracelet width, let's go with that. That one's going to be about 20. This one's a little bit thinner watch. Let's get a thickness on this one. That one's about 8 millimeters. That's a nice watch. Vintage. It's got a nice snap bracelet here. Let's see if we can find a model on this one. Looks like maybe V732. Sorry, when I hold it up there you guys can't see that well. Oh, here's a nice one also. Looks like a marine-based Bulova. I don't know, I always get criticized for how I say that. This one, classic, beautiful, love this thing. Timex Ironman, one of my favorites. This one, I don't know if we may have to look up a date on this one. I may do a separate video on these Ironmans. I love these old Ironmans. This one has a broken band. We'll have to dig through the stash, see if we can find another one. Just beautiful watch. We'll probably do a battery replacement on this one. We always film our battery replacements on the triathlon watches, Ironman watches. Looks like this one might use a 2025. Again, great watch, love it. Let's get some specs on this one. Case size, that's about a 44, probably about a 40, a little over 45 with the buttons. Bracelet width, it's going to be about 20. And this is a little bit thicker. That's about 14 on the thickness. And here we have another Timex Triathlon. This one's really nice. It's the metal version. It has the metal bezel, the metal case. Definitely going to do a separate video on this one. Clean this up, get the battery changed, get some details about this one. This one is what I would call a higher end Ironman triathlon watch. It has the screw down back instead of the actual back that just goes in place with 4 screws. This one looks really nice. We'll get some details on this one. Great band on it, great sport band. Nice combination of a I'll call it a dress / work watch and a sport watch. It's a little bit heavier. I mean, when you look at these types of watches, it's much heavier. So we'll get into that one later. Let's go ahead and get some case specs on this one. This one's nice. That one's about a 40, 41 on the case size. Thickness, pretty thick. It's about 11, a little over an 11. Lug width on this one is about 19.9, so about a 20 millimeter band. And then lug to lug is about 45, 46. Definitely doing one on that. And if you guys see anything you want more detail on, leave a comment below. We'll research that and get into that. Oh, here we have, last but not least, this beautiful watch here, the Citizen Echo Drive. It's got the, I don't even know what color to call that dial. It's almost like a gold silver. You know, it's got the gold baton type markers, the hands that will illuminate. Dual gold silver tone band and case. Citizen Echo Drive. What's the movement on this one? We'll see if we can find that real quick with my aging eyes. Looks like an FB10 movement. We'll definitely do a video on this one. This one's got great detail. Let's do case size on this one. We're talking about 38 or so. Lug to lug, we're talking about 44. Case width, we're talking about 10. This one's in great shape. The two-tone, the crystal, everything. Hardly any scratches on it at all. But yeah, a little different video today, guys. Oh, let's get back to the back. This is definitely a nice Eco Drive where it has the screw down back, Eco Drive, whatever, tomato, tomato. But yeah, this little different video today. We had some viewer contributions, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to do some more video on these to come down the road. But just wanted to get this out here real quick, kind of an inventory of what we have, and we'll get to it. We'll start working on these and getting them cleaned up. Appreciate Matt for putting these on the channel, and we'll see what we can do with these. Anyway, that's all we have for today, guys. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.